How to make coconut milk, camphor, and yogurt mask at home for hair growth. To make this mask, you will need the following ingredients: 5 tablespoons of coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1/4 teaspoon of crushed camphor, and a shower cap. Directions: mix the coconut milk, yogurt, and crushed camphor to a smooth paste. Now, massage the paste onto your scalp and hair. Then, cover your hair with a shower cap and leave it on for an hour or 2. Later, wash your hair with a mild shampoo. For best results, you have to use this treatment once a week. Camphor can help reduce hair loss. When used with coconut extracts, it can help treat dandruff, head lice, and an itchy scalp. Yogurt is rich in probiotics. A study showed that probiotic bacteria induced shiny hair growth in aged mice. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.